I'm Sundija from BA Journalism to present today's feature news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled a ₹1,000 commemorative coin in honor of the legendary Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I. The ceremony was held at Gangaikonda Cholapuram, the historic city built by the emperor himself. The coin marks 1,000 years since Rajendra Chola's reign and features his portrait along with an illustration of the Brihadishwara temple, symbolizing his grand contribution to architecture, naval expansion and South Indian culture. During the event, PM Modi praised Rajendra Chola as a global maritime power who expanded Tamil culture across Southeast Asia. He said this moment is a tribute to Tamil pride and a reminder of India's glorious past. The commemorative coin serves not only as a token of respect to a great emperor, but also a symbol to inspire future generations about India's rich heritage. That's all for today from us. For daily news update, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.